Hey there, quick review on this Forward Brand Bench Vise. This is their 8-inch bench vise. I could not be happier with this purchase. It's absolutely fantastic. I was a little concerned shipping something as big and heavy as this, how that would work out. It comes in a package where the vise is completely encapsulated with a solid block of foam and then a nice heavy-duty cardboard box around it, so there was zero damage to the packaging even shipping something this heavy. So not a big deal shipping something like this. We got super powerful big jaw here, 12,000 pounds of clamping pressure on this jaw. Nice big 10-inch handle. You can really torque on it and crank it to get a lot of pressure on this thing. And then it is adjustable. You've got nice rubber pieces on the handle here so it's not loud and clanky whenever you're adjusting it. And of course, it goes in and out really easy. Just got to twist and flip, and yeah, that aspect of it works really well. We've got a nice big pad for an anvil right here, so if you need to do some pounding on something, very nice surface there. It's one of the advantages of going with the 8-inch vise. You've just got more size to do things. You want to bolt this down with 1/2-inch bolts. I've got a 1/2-inch through bolt here, and then long 1/2-inch lags going through up front here, mounted in nice and solid. The jaws on this thing, very grippy jaws. Got a couple indentations over here for holding pipe. These are reversible, so you can remove these screws, flip them over, and then you'll have a smooth side. I would recommend getting some of these inserts that can be added. This is a non-marring insert that you can put on here. They can be flipped around different ways, and they've got notches for holding different things. So those are a great accessory as well to add to the vise. Adjustability, simple crank handle over here. If we want to loosen it, then you've got the ability to pivot the tool around, and that works extremely well also. So lots of adjustability. It's got all the key features that you really want on a bench vise. You'll also notice down here, we've got some additional jaws. Go ahead and put this together. This is for round objects and pipe. So I can go ahead and clamp a 1-inch pipe in here like so, and you'll see that can be nice and secured for doing a lot of different things, whether it's cutting it, drilling holes in it, etc. So this vise just has a lot of versatility. It's got all the key features you want. I would really recommend it. I'm extremely pleased with the purchase. Another nice thing about the swiveling base is, let's say I want to use the Anvil, but I don't want this in the way up here in my working area. I can rotate the vise all the way around, and now I can lock it down and have access to my Anvil area right here, unencumbered by anything in front of me.